and commitment. 5. Developing mental fortitude. Building resilience against distractions is essential. Regularly place yourself in challenging situations to train your focus. This might involve working in a noisy environment or handling multiple tasks simultaneously. Each challenge faced and overcome strengthens your mental fortitude, much like a muscle growing stronger with exercise. This practice enhances your ability to remain focused and composed, even in the face of unexpected disruptions or stress. 6. Regular self-reflection. Consistent self-evaluation is key in Stoicism. Use tools like journaling or meditative walks